Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got a pesky drywall repair. It looks like somebody has put some TV boxes, run wires for TVs, and cut some holes. And now that they're trying to turn it back into a formal dining room, we got to get rid of the TV and get rid of the holes. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So we've got this rectangular shaped hole here. Now typically when this happens, either you throw on one of those cheesy metal patches, or you can cut it out, put a stud behind it, cut a new piece of drywall and stick it in. But we've got a much easier way to do it. First, we're gonna measure the hole. Now we're gonna get a clean piece of drywall, turn it over on the back, and let's mark out and draw our rectangle. Now we're gonna cut around the hole, but we're gonna leave about 2 inches around the perimeter. All right, we should have something like this. I've got my hole marked out and then a good size around the perimeter left. Now I'm gonna cut along our rectangle. Both on the long sides, and then cut these guys too. Now we're gonna break the board, but we're not gonna break the front paper. Go ahead and peel that off. And we should have something like this. After we get our drywall cut, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of mud. Just like so, making sure all 4 sides are wet. Cut piece. Make sure you get enough mud behind your paper to make it stick, and then take all the mud off. That's a good first coat. The patch has been made, and we did it in less than 5 minutes. Now when that dries, we'll throw on a second coat. So that's it, super easy. We just rocked that drywall patch, something that could have taken 30 minutes, cutting out the board to a stud, or framing behind it, measuring the board, cutting it, fitting it in there, securing it, taping it. You just saved you about 25 minutes per patch. So go take yourself to lunch. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.